If you've started seeing mud lines on your walls, tiny holes in wooden furniture, or small piles of wings near your windows, there's a good chance you have termites. And if you ignore them, they won't go away on their own. In fact, they'll keep eating wood inside your home, often without you even knowing. The termites you see are only a small part of the problem. The real colony is usually underground, and that's where the queen lives. As long as the colony is alive, it keeps sending more termites into your home. That's why so many people say, bug sprays, kerosene, diesel, and regular termite sprays only give temporary results. They kill the termites on the surface, but they don't stop the colony. So, what actually works? The first thing you should do is find where the termites are coming from. If you see mud tunnels on your wall, don't just scrape them off or paint over them. Break one open and check if termites are still moving inside. If they are, the colony is still active. Next, check for damp areas around your home. This was one of the most common suggestions from homeowners who had already dealt with termites. Damp walls, leaking pipes, water seepage, or rotten wood make it much easier for termites to survive. Fixing these problems won't kill the termites, but it helps stop the problem from getting worse. Now, let's talk about the solution that people said actually worked. Many homeowners recommended termite bait stations. Instead of killing only the termites you can see, the bait is carried back to the colony. The termites share it with the rest of the colony, including the queen. It takes longer than spraying, but it attacks the source of the problem instead of just the symptoms. If the infestation is already inside your walls or has spread through different parts of the house, most people agreed that professional termite treatment is the best option. Several homeowners said they tried sprays first, but the termites always came back. After calling a pest control company, technicians drilled small holes around the walls or floor and injected anti-termite treatment into the ground or inside the walls. Many people said they haven't had termites return for years after doing this. If you have termites only in one piece of wooden furniture, you may be able to treat or replace that item before the infestation spreads. But if termites are coming out of your walls, doors, or floors, the colony is usually much bigger than it looks. There are also a few simple things you can do to help prevent termites from coming back. Fix leaking pipes as soon as possible. Keep wood dry. Don't store old wooden boards or firewood right next to your house. If you have rotten tree stumps or old wood lying in your yard, remove them because termites love feeding on them before moving toward your home. Now, what about all the popular home remedies? Kerosene and diesel were mentioned many times. Most people agreed they can kill termites on contact, but they also said the termites usually come back because the colony is still alive. They also leave a strong smell and aren't a long-term solution. Regular insect sprays have the same problem. They may kill the termites you can see, but they don't reach the colony underground. Some people suggested filling cracks or painting over the mud tunnels. That might hide them for a while, but it doesn't stop the termites. They'll simply make another tunnel somewhere else. The biggest lesson from people who successfully got rid of termites was this: don't focus on the termites you can see. Focus on the colony you can't see. If you only kill the termites on the wall, you're treating the symptom, not the problem. But if you remove the moisture, destroy the colony with bait, or get a proper termite treatment that reaches the source, that's when the termites stop coming back. The sooner you deal with termites, the better. A small infestation is much easier and cheaper to fix than one that's been growing inside your walls for months. So if you keep seeing termites no matter how many times you spray them, it's time to stop treating the surface and start treating the colony.